Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today, another one of our lock sporters has reached a milestone and they're putting on a giveaway. They want to celebrate their 100. Congratulations to Real Taiter. Excellent achievement. 100 subscribers. Love your channel. So what Real Taiter wants us to do for our giveaway, his giveaway, for our entry into his giveaway, they want us to pick a lock, a 5-pin lock. We need to send him an email with the link, or put a link on his video to the giveaway so he can find it. This is a beautiful little Ace padlock, 5-pinner that I got from Funkey Fastdraw Monkey. I picked it about 5 minutes ago for the first time. Out of the package kind of pick for me. It took me about 20 minutes. So let's hope it doesn't take that long. There's no time limit on this pick, but let's not go for a 20-minute pick, shall we? So I'm going to do it in the vise. Because it's quite cold here, my hands are going numb and I can't hold the lock. And yes, this is an odd occasion for me to pick in a vise, but I'm trying to do it more and more. Beautiful. Right, I'm gonna go in with the bottom of the keyway. I tried top of the keyway, couldn't get it open, but managed to get my first open with the bottom, but I only opened it once. Going in with my new Law Lock tools that I won from the Shout Out Monday series that Starry Lock's got going. Go check yourself out that series, it's excellent. It promotes subscribers that have, not subscribers, contributors, content makers, lock sporters that have less than 100 subscribers, and helps boost them up to the 100 so they can do their giveaways, which is really cool. But that's not the reason he does it. He does it to boost the community. I just think it's great because we get to enter more giveaways. So going in with the Law Lock tools. I don't know what the name of this hook is. It was just one of the ones on their website that you could buy one of that they offered. I think it's their medium hook. It's not a short hook, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to let the tension go in at the back of the lock. Nice clip. Pretty medium tension, I reckon. I tried light tension and got nowhere with this lock. Nice click. Nice one. I am outside, so you will hear birdies and stuff. Let's try and get Real Taiter's name in the shot. Would be good. Now, Real Taiter, he's got some really interesting content. He knows his locks, he knows his stuff, he knows his picking. And he's been doing some videos lately that try and teach us beginners how to do stuff. He's got this great one out on the American 1100. Go have a look at it. It shows us how he picks. And it's quite an interesting style, what he does, and it actually does work. I'm yet to get my first open on the Americans. But however, I have tried his method mixed in with the method that I learnt from Lockpicking Patrolman, and I am getting somewhere on the locks. Not open yet, but hey, that's what practice is for. Learning the locks, learning the tension, learning the feel of them pins with all them serrations. He's also got a good one on how to make a tension wrench easily, the top of the keyway one. Oh, nice big false set there, that was pretty cool. What Real Taiter's got on offer is something that I've been after for a very long time, and that's the lock that says Sesame. It's a beautiful closed shackle one. I love my closed shackle padlocks, and it's a Sesame one. I've always wanted to do the cheesy thing and say open sesame. So that's what he's got on offer. It's a great padlock, but also with it he's got a Petersen Talon. I think it's called Talon 5 or something. Let me check my notes. It's called Talon 2. It's a 15 thou pick set. Oh, it looks good. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go find his channel. If you're one of his 100 subscribers, get in there. Become a part of the giveaway. Show your support, help him celebrate his 100. Well, there's been a lot of giveaways on lately. So many lock supporters are reaching their milestones all in the same month, and just seems like one after the other each week there's someone new putting on a giveaway. And a lot of my content's going to be entering giveaways at the moment, doing the challenges they set us, which are always fun. See what they come up with next. I think I've got 2 more to do after this one. I've got 2 package openings waiting for me there. No, 3. They'll be coming, they're all ready out of quarantine, ready for opening. Okay, I'm in deep full set. It's just got to be one more left, and I keep losing it out of the fires. use it. If I can get it in under 10 minutes, I've reduced my time by half. Okay, I've lost it completely out of the rice. As you know, I don't edit, I only do things in one take, so I can't fast forward. But you can fast forward. More of a false set there. Let's try and get to the back pin. Just slipping off it. My hand's going numb, which is a problem. Not being able to feel. Okay, I'm losing my grip on this pick. Might have to put thicker handles on this pick for myself. Just rub it in some wood. No, it's definitely that back pin. It's not set. Oh. Just trying to get to it. Okay, change picks. Go to my Daz Evers. Oh, out of the full set. Roll back into the full set. Oh, yes. Sweet as. Yes, finally got it. Okay, the Ace Padlock. In 15 minutes, well, under 15 minutes. Go check out Real Taiter. I will leave a link in the description below. Give him some love, give him some more subs, get him up to there over the 200 mark. Excellent channel, mate. Great giveaway you've got on offer. Thanks very much for doing it for your 100. Remember, lock sporters, you don't have to do the giveaways if you don't want to. If you're not up to it, can't afford it, or don't know what to put in your giveaway, you don't have to stress over it, you don't have to do them. But really appreciate it when you do. That's why I like to do my best to join in, to help you celebrate. Everyone, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.